Hey guys, welcome back to Gypsy Rose Papery. In today's video, I'm going to go through some paper packs that will be in my next shop update, so stay tuned. So here I was thinking I was gonna do live voice, but apparently the sound is not working on my video. So I am coming through with a voiceover, and these are some paper packs that I will have in my next shop update, which is now. If you're watching this, it's live. So I have 2 packs that are spring/bunny related and 2 that are Alice, and these are actual papers that I curated for myself because I meant to create journals with these papers and these supplies, and well, that didn't happen. So I felt bad. They were in a drawer collecting dust, so I thought I might as well pack them up nicely and share it with you guys. So we will jump right in. So first up we have Spring Bunnies number 1. And I've labeled them because I want to make sure that when I put them up on Etsy, I am showcasing the right paper pack. They can get confusing because they are kind of similar. So I'm including these little pouches. I like to make like pockets or tuck spots out of them. And I'm including some textiles. We have really pretty ribbon here, multicolored. And then this other pink and blue with little tassels on it, super cute. I'm also including some scrap paper scraps and a spring theme. I'm definitely sort of going with that purple color scheme here. That was my plan. And then you have some that have like gold foiling, which are really pretty. I'm also including bunnies, of course, because it's spring, and I have these bunny napkins as well, super cute. I also have these 2 tags, 2 packages of tags, and then this really pretty paper bag, 2 of them actually. And I like to use these as just like pages. I fold them like paper and then cut off the other end to open it up. I'm also including quite a few pages of this Eden Holden book. And I had prepped them some. I had put some handmade paper on there because I wanted to kind of like stamp over it. That was my plan. But I try to keep it spring related, so lots of pretty flowers and butterflies and all those yummy spring things that we look forward to. And also I'm including some Tim Holtz ephemera. Now this is a used pack, so I think originally it says 80 or 88 pieces, but there's probably about half of that in here. I won't take them all out because it'll be a very long video. I'm also including a page of this vintage 1978 calendar by Beatrix Potter. Super cute, again goes with that spring theme. I'm also including this gutted book cover that was the cover I was going to use to make my journal. I was initially thinking maybe ring binding would be good, or you could also do like a soft spine, but again it's purple, and that's kind of how I gathered all the supplies for this journal along that color scheme. I'm also including this beautiful vintage dresser doily with embroidery detail. It really hurt me to find this in the drawer, sort of unused, and you could probably still use it as a dresser doily if you want, but it's got a lot of embroidery detail for you to cut up and use in multiple journals, not just this one. So definitely one of the harder things I had to part with, but I just would like it to go to someone that's actually gonna get some use out of it. So that is everything that's included in Spring Bunnies 1, and up next we'll check out Spring Bunnies 2. So here's Bunnies 2, and first up we have a lot of textiles. We have this white eyelash trim, super pretty, and this really gorgeous rosette ribbon, which will look great on a cover if I might add myself. And this really pretty ribbon, bright colors, very spring-like. And this really soft, it's like eyelash trim, but the eyelash part of it is really soft and furry like a bunny, super cute. And some more of those little pouches to look great as pockets. I had started some Franken paper here, so I included that. I also included another one of those paper bags, and inside is the Tim Holtz ephemera. And I also have like these bigger like cards. They're all Tim Holtz, but they're, I think, from the most recent like ephemera pack that he came out with, I think in 2021, I think. And some Edith Holden pages. I just included whatever I had left, more sort of spring-like imagery. I've also included the gutted golden book cover that I was going to use again as a ring-binded journal or a soft faux spine, which I will link up here because I do have a golden book that I created a faux spine on. And we have some more of that bunny scrapbook paper and another page of that vintage 1978 calendar by Beatrix Potter. I also have some children's book pages. They're all bunny related, as you can see here. Really pretty, bright, colorful images. I have some embossed craft paper that is really pretty and you can use as detail or to collage. The last bunny napkin that I had left, and another page from that vintage calendar as well. And I found this vintage craft magazine at a thrift shop, and it's got some really cute bunny images. And again, it's one of those things where it was sitting in a drawer collecting dust, and it just broke my heart because someone else could really get use out of it. And finally, this beautiful spring-like fabric. You could probably use the other side if you wanted to, or this side, but there's enough here to make a nice size cover. So that is bunny pack number 2, and now we get to move on to the Alice's. Okay, so next up we have Alice number 1, and I'm very excited because you'll see soon. You could probably already see, but I included quite a few textiles in this one. First off, we have this beautiful heart-shaped pink lace, and this, I think it's called rickrack. It's like gold. I want to say it's rickrack. If it's not rickrack, then please tell me in the comments. And then I have some hand-dyed lace. I think I dyed this with Glimmer Mist. It was originally like a cream color. And we also have some bunny scrap fabric. I thought it was appropriate because it's bunnies, and in Alice in Wonderland we have the white bunny or the white rabbit, however you want to call them. And we're doing like a pink and blue theme here, so I included like this fairy fabric. I'm pretty sure I meant to like include it somehow in this Alice journal and make it work because it was just so pretty. But this is why I'm really excited. This is very limited last piece of Rifle Paper Company Alice fabric. This fabric, I believe, is no longer in production. I was lucky enough to get my hands on this one and then like 2 other patterns, which I have to look for and see if I have any more of the other 2. But this one is it. This is the last piece, and whoever gets this pack is the one who gets that fabric. We have multitudes of Alice themed paper, and again in that color scheme, pink and blue. We have some Disney Alice paper as well. There's other papers as well that kind of go in this theme, and some napkins, as you saw there, Stamperia scrap there. I will also include this used pack of Echo Park Alice tags. They did a limited Alice in Wonderland paper collection. It may or may not be back. I'm not sure. It was really popular, and it's been a really long time since I shopped for paper, so it could be back, but this is from the original first run of that collection. I just quickly wanted to show you here just some of the designs. Really pretty. That one's my favorite. But yeah, there's quite a few tags in here. I would say probably 15 or more. It's close to what the original pack had because I didn't use very many. I was very stingy because I wanted to hoard them, but now is the time to stop hoarding, I think. Then we have a little teacup die cut with Alice on it, and the corresponding teapot, and they have designs on both sides. I use contrasting colors because we're doing that pink and blue. We have some more like bigger scraps here, mostly, well, no, I think they are all Alice themed, either Stamperia paper or that Cricut Disney collection that had like the Disney Alice on there. I'm also including some full-size pages here. This is from Stamperia, and I kind of folded just where I would naturally cut. That way it would fit into the plastic binder there. But I like to kind of fold these in half and make them folder pages. So that's a good way to kind of use these if you didn't want to cut them up. I'm also including some coffee dyed paper. This is the last of my stash. I think there may be some in the other Alice, but I used up whatever I had. I haven't made coffee paper in ages, so I think there's just enough in here to make a nice size journal. And I have some more scrapbook paper that, again, I just folded where I would naturally cut. That way it fits into the folio. A piece of vellum here, very cute. Another full-size piece of that Disney Alice. Some vintage linen paper. It's got some really great texture and weight to it. It reminds me of like 50s motel paper because of the color. You know, we got that 50s vibe. And finally, we have another full-size piece of Stamperia paper. This one has the playing cards on there, and I have two final pieces of scrapbook paper. So that is it for Alice 1. Let's go on to Alice 2. So Alice 2 is very similar. We're going to start off with the napkins. I've included 2 in here, and again, they do have images on both sides. So here we have some more of that pink fairy fabric, which you could probably use on a cover. This is like a 5x7 size, so you could definitely do a B6 cover out of this fabric. And I have a little piece of vintage fabric there and some more of those tags. I won't take them out because you guys saw them in the first pack, just to save us some time. Another one of those teapot die cuts, and the cup is in here somewhere. These are all from the Echo Park Alice paper, and some of them are from the Stamperia collection. And then here we have the actual Stamperia cover, because the back of it is super cute, and I don't know why Stamperia does that. They put like really cute patterns on the back of their covers, and their paper is expensive and it doesn't bring very many sheets, so I tried to use or utilize everything that I can. Some more gold rickrack. Please tell me if that's correct. Scraps, some in progress Franken paper, just needs to be sewn really. There's that cup. I knew it was in here somewhere. Also, I'm including quite a few sheets of the 6-inch scrapbook paper by Echo Park, all Alice themed. Just quickly go through them so you guys can see. I'm also including some vintage ledger paper there. Some more scraps, Alice themed. I think I had like a lot of butterfly and flower type stuff because this one was going to be more centralized around like the tea party theme. So just quickly go through so you guys can see all the different varieties of scraps. And the piece de resistance is this full page of Stamperia paper with the tea party image on there. So beautiful. I made sure to obviously fold it so that it makes sense. And another full sheet of Stamperia paper, 2 sheets of vellum, a full sheet of Disney paper, super cute, with the flowers on there, smiling, being all adorable, and a full sheet of Echo Park paper. This one has all the full-size journaling cards. So definitely plenty of ephemera in this pack. And we have the last of my coffee dyed paper, some vintage Hallmark stationery with shocker butterflies and flowers. So pretty. And the sheet of vintage linen paper in blue. Very unique, and the blue is perfect for Alice because it's that color that she's got in her dress and in the ribbon in her hair. So that is it for Alice 2. So if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you are a gem, you are a star, you rock. These packs are live in my shop. The link is in the description. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.